Damn. Yeah.
Run number 1 of the year since February of last year and since my last ankle surgery. So we'll see how it goes. Baby Park looking fucking solid, bro.
Such a good crook.
I'm really good at this. How wet do I need to get it?
You need to be super wet.
Super wet, like dripping wet.
Dripping wet, uncontrollably wet. Okay, now we're gonna stick it back in the oven.
Was it wet enough?
Yeah.
Do I got these?
Yes, yeah. Open the door, and then this end goes front way. Okay.
Like, like that?
No. Okay. This. You stick this end this way. There you go.
Like that.
Okay.
I might catch my shirt on fire.
There's no fire. Okay. You got
It's
it.
gonna like break.
No, you gotta hold it. Oh my lord.
I got it. You got it.
Jesus.
I figured I'd burn myself if I put it down that low.
Would you like something else? Merlin just had it on into water.
Why is that a Merlin thing?
It's like abracadabra.
Well, there's smoke.
It's called steam. Okay, not smoke. You just said smoke signals? Ready?
Send them to Roy?
Yeah. Stop, I'm typing. God. Now Roy's confused. Yeah, I'm not the fix it. Yeah, I know Roy.
I'm gonna send little pigeon things.
What is it?
The pigeons.
The pigeons?
Right? Don't they bring letters?
Yeah, you attach them to their little legs and they fly. Messenger birds.
Messenger birds. I'm gonna start using messenger birds. No, it's like the crows. Kate and I.
The crows?
Kate and I are gonna get crows.
Ah!
Crows.
Okay, I want to know where
I'm
you're
gonna
stick. You're just
kidnap
like this. You're gonna take them to the net and just got one.
Roy's
Or
so
just get a
smart.
magpie.
No, because they're fucking smart. You can kill people with crows. You can train them to attack certain people.
All right, we're gonna have to.
No, I
Google
swear
this.
to God.
We're googling this.
No, you don't need to Google it.
No,
this is
we're
real.
gonna-
You don't
this is
even.
real? We're gonna Google attack, trained.
You can.
A trained
100%.
attack assassin crows.
100%.
Okay.
Crows remember
Okay.
people's
Well, should I
faces.
turn on the news and see?
I'm not
in
kidding you.
news
It's
today.
100%
Hold on.
correct.
In news today, local teenager dies from attack crows.
You don't even need to attack dogs. Crows, I can train a crow.
Okay,
remember
you know
your
what?
face.
Here's it is.
And it will attack
Here it is.
you if
Here it
it
is.
sees you.
Here it is. I am gonna fund this. I want to see you.
It's a fucking real thing.
I want to see you train a crow
Okay.
to attack me, and I will pay for it.
It'll
Okay.
eat you. It'll fucking kill you.
That's
They will fucking kill you.
I'm willing to take that risk.
You know what?
Okay.
Do you know what
Because here's
a bunch
the fact.
of crows together is called?
What?
You know, like tell me what you
A
think.
flock?
Nope.
A gang?
Nope.
A posse?
A murder.
A murder.
A
Okay.
murder.
Okay. Well, here's
a
this.
murder
Here's this.
of crows.
Here's the
you
bet.
think they're fucking pussies? They're called a murder.
I don't think they're pussies.
They'll kill you.
I'm not questioning that the bird can or cannot kill somebody. I'm questioning that you cannot train it to kill me.
I will.
Okay. Well, let's,
They have facial
hey,
recognition.
let's do that.
I'm tough.
On the TV.
Why? That's
yeah.
why I'm wondering why we're not watching football. We're
Well, I'm
watching
watching football because I'm
boiling potatoes.
Well, I thought you were cooking.
You can't touch someone's ass. It's harassment unless you ask if it's okay.
Is it okay?
No, you already did it now. You done fucked up.
Sorry, you didn't tell me the order. So.
Well, I thought it's a given. You can't just touch someone's ass.
Alright, open up there so I can get the trash. You got it?
Yeah, I'm not a pussy.
I guess I am.
It looks very pretty. So you have to pick a hot chick. I'll murder her with my crows, take her skin, and then wear it, and then turn you on.
Can I just eat turkey first? Is that can happen?
No. You don't like dark meat?
I do.
You do? I like all meat. any color meat.
Any color?
Any color. I'll take it dark or light.
Ooh.
No, you want to sit over there?
Yeah, I do, but I kind of want to get to here, but you're kind of like hiding the thing, you know, like, get your ass out of the way.